Hi and welcome to Science Desk. In today's video, we shall see about respiratory system. So, in this video we shall see the need for respiration, various respiratory organs, the process of respiration and the process of gaseous exchange. First, let us see what is the need for respiration. Why do you have to necessarily respire? Yes, respiration is the process that helps you to inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Why should you inhale oxygen? Because the oxygen that you inhale is getting utilized in every cell as cellular respiration. Finally, this cellular respiration will give you the energy that is helping you to perform the various functions. So this is the need for respiration. Now we will see what are the various respiratory organs. First comes your nasal cavity. When you inhale, the air enters your nasal cavity and then reaches your larynx. From the larynx, it will reach your trachea, which is also called as the windpipe. From trachea, it will reach your bronchioles, and this bronchioles branches to form bronchi and it enters your lungs. In your lungs, you have tiny air or sac-like structures called as alveoli. And now we will see what is the process of respiration. So when you talk about the process of respiration, it can be classified as inhalation and exhalation. The term itself says you. Inhalation is the process where you inhale or take in oxygen. Exhalation is the process where you exhale or give out carbon dioxide. Now we will see what happens during this process. When you inhale, the ribs are getting enlarged and the lungs are getting enlarged. So when the lungs are getting enlarged, it pushes your diaphragm lowers. So when the diaphragm is lowered and your lungs are enlarged, there is so much of space to take in your oxygen. What happens during exhalation? It is just the opposite. The ribs come close and constrict your lungs. And also the diaphragm moves upwards. When the diaphragm is moving upwards and ribs are moving inwards, this will create a pressure in your lungs to pull out and exhale out your carbon dioxide. This is how inhalation and exhalation is happening inside your lungs. Now we will see what is happening inside the lungs. What is happening to the oxygen you inhale? There comes the process called gaseous exchange. Now we will see what is exactly happening here. Have an imagination you are inhaling oxygen. When you inhale oxygen, the oxygen will travel and reach out to your alveoli. We just saw where the alveoli are located. And this alveoli is now rich in your oxygen. The deoxygenated blood for purification will flow along this alveoli, and all the oxygen molecules from your alveoli will be diffusing to the deoxygenated blood vessel. This oxygen will combine with the red blood cells, and the carbon dioxide from your deoxygenated blood will be diffused back to the alveoli. This collected carbon dioxide will be exhaled. What is happening to the blood vessel that is oxygenated? Yes, this oxygenated blood will reach back heart for pumping and circulation. This is how your lungs and your heart are coordinating together to bring about the circulatory process. Thank you. If you really find this video interesting, please like and share it with your friends. Feel free to comment if you have any doubts. And don't forget to subscribe.